Hello, everyone. So today we are checking into our hotel at the Amanta Hotel and Residence in the Ratchada district. Let's go see what this hotel has to offer. It is a four-star hotel, and it has a lobby. Well, is receptionist, breakfast area. Go out this way. It has waterfalls. The rooms have balconies. At least ours do. I'm not sure if they all do or not, but and the reason we moved to this hotel, I like to pick my hotels based on a few different things. Like right now, we need to wash our clothes, so I looked up hotels that had washer and dryers in the rooms, and this was one of the hotels. And my husband and I both liked the hotel from the pictures and the reviews. And so we chose this one. Look at the swimming pool. It's a very spacious swimming pool. Um, Pretty big. They are out here cleaning. And we have people inside of the pool at the same time. And let's walk over here. They have a gym facing the pool. And they have a little area where you can be up on top lounging. They have a outdoor shower to rinse off before getting in the pool and getting out. The gym. They have this little space, open space, photo op. So yeah, I love the green here. Garden plush, very plush garden. I mean, this place is beautiful. I love the color scheme of the hotel. Let's see. Looks like they have restrooms back here. Oh wow, it's pretty nice in here. They have lockers, benches, stalls. Look like they have showers back here too. They have a sauna. I think this, yeah, that's a sauna. And then the gym.